Instagram, Facebook. I haven't given you guys my older man training tips because I had to start doing a personal trainer because I'm going to be traveling this summer. Well, I got a bunch of business trips. But I know when I told you about those old man business tips, because the younger guys, man, if you want to, here's one good old man tip: just wear clean shoes, man. And if your young girl doesn't have nice shoes, hey, can I take you out and buy you some shoes? I'm telling you, good looking girls, hey, I know you're working hard. I've been there. Worked at Target, I worked at UPS, I worked at a Subway. Oh, okay, didn't work at a Subway. I worked at what is it called? I don't know, some other deli restaurant. So I know how it is. I have to work all these jobs to be in school, studying, and then you got to deal with the boyfriend who keeps coming home every hour of the day worried about me fucking her. Yeah, most likely she is screwing around. You don't need to keep worrying, young guys. You don't need to keep running home trying to see your girlfriend. She's fucking around. That's what I told you. Number one tip: do not live with your girlfriend unless you're married. That's my number one tip, because it just causes problems, man. You're all nervous and stuff. Are you talking to him? Why is he hanging out? Because she fucking him, man. Now, if you were smart, you would at least got a 2-bedroom place. And then they gave her like twice as much time to get pissed off with you. You were smart. You thought you'd just get a 1-bedroom. You go pay the rent. I love you. Nobody loves you, man. You got any motherfucking money, young man? If you don't, then that's why she's out there having fun. So that's your old man tip. Use that money to the advantage like the rich people like. What is his name? Jamie Dimon. $1 trillion person. $1 trillion with Chase. That's what I said. Get a tip like one of my marketing. He's out there still. Hey, I think this, I think that, he think that. Because you know what? He knows more banks are going to fail. And when they fail, who are they going to remember? They're going to remember, God, what's the name? Jamie Dimon guy of Chase talking about stuff, how his company took over of the banks that went into receivership and all kind of issues. Let's give him a call. But what about the other people that we should give a balanced approach to? Nah, I don't think so. I want to get this because my person I have that owns money or stock in this bank doesn't want to lose all his money or doesn't want his deposits lost. And boom, Jamie Dimon, $1 trillion company will get better. Always remember, bigger is not bigger enough. That's your older person advantage. Got a little bit more money, a little bit more experience. Use it to your advantage, man. Now you're in a bi world, trans world, swing world. Now you got people on the TV saying, hey, maybe you should take a break from your relationship. It's all set up for you. Those ones that got away when you were younger, you already need them. She may, hey, man, I may not even want you around for all the time. Go hit something else. That's where it's headed. Trust me. These older women are kind of stuck in these older relationships. The husband's like whatever thing they learned when they were older. So I see guys opening up doors. They see me, they go open up the doors and stuff. Like, boy, the last thing you need to do is worry about opening up the door to your fucking car, man. Just take care of your girl, man. Because if I'm going to get her, I'm going to get her. You can open the doors, you can feed the dog, you can take her dog out the shit. If I'm going to get her dog, I'm going to get her. So that's my older person tip for the day. Just stay in the fight, man. Just be out there, talk to them. Don't worry, talk to them, follow up. Because women right now are going to follow the money. The guys are following the love, the women are following the money. Because if you ain't got no money, why? You better learn how to share the honey. You can't have no money and then keep home. Well, I love you and I do this and I do that. You can't do that, man. Not anymore. Not in this generation. Let me know what you think. Subscribe.